Welcome to this week's Security Report. I'm Paul McAdam. Thanks for joining us. The Guyana Police Force, in its efforts to increase its human resources, continues to have recruitment drives at the Felix Austin Police College in Georgetown, the Felix Austin Police College at Adventure Berbice, and the Richard Fical Police College at Sudi Essequibo for male and female applicants between the ages of 18 to 29 years old. Persons desirous of joining this noble organization can apply at the above training institutions between Monday to Friday from 8 to 1600 hours, that's 8 in the morning to 4 in the afternoon. For more information, contact our training department on 2276472. On July 14, ranks participated in the annual White Tiger Open Martial Arts Championship at the New Amsterdam Town Hall Berbice location. The team exceeded expectations by winning a total of 49 medals, which included 32 gold, 6 silver, and 4 bronzes. They defeated 5 other teams and emerged first place, this on their first attempt at the competition. The fighters contested in various choreographed patterns of movements with age categories ranging from 16 to 18, 19 to 34, and 35 to 50 years old, respectively. On July 15, C Division kicked off a 5-day youth camp at the Hope Secondary School on the east coast of Demerara. During the 5 days, youths were engaged in skills building and arts and craft activities, such as the making of towels, soap pins, ribbons, and bottle crafts. The camp concluded July 19. Youths performed skits and dance items and recited poems as well. They also had on display all the craft items they made during the course of the camp. On July 18, the Business Minister Hemrat Rajkumar at the Anna Regina Town Hall, Essequibo Coast, met with hire car and minibus operators. Inspector in charge of traffic, G Division, Inspector T. Griffith, along with other ranks, briefed those present on the code of conduct for drivers, 26 hire car and minibus drivers, along with staff of the Ministry of Business, and the president of the Minibus and Hire Car Association, Nazir Nazmoon, attended. As the force celebrates its 180th anniversary and as part of their initiative to give back to the community and building better police-community relations, on July 19, the OIC, or the officer in charge of the No. 2 subdivision in G Division, Assistant Superintendent Graham Thomas, and the Aurora Police Station ranks shared out hampers to 4 elderly persons in the Aurora Station District. Receiving hampers were Miss Odette Peters, aged 50, Shahida Khan, 52, Albert Rodriguez, 64, and Jane Mangle, aged 77, of Supinam, Essequibo Coast. The next day, G Division also coordinated a traffic awareness walk under the caption, "Don't drink and drive, stay alive." The walk commenced from 3 friends and concluded at the Anna Regina Police Station. Participating were members of various scouts groups, youth groups, the Ministry of Social Protection, officers, and ranks. Brief remarks were given by Commander G Division Senior Superintendent Khalib Hashram. On July 20, as part of the anniversary activities also, Leg 1 ranks from the police station there, assisted by members of the Station Management Committee, held a fun day at the Enterprise Sports Ground for youth groups and cricket teams on the island. In attendance were members of the Leg 1, Good Hope, and Zorg police youth groups. The police force, in collaboration with the Ministry of Public Infrastructure, conducted an environmental cleanup along the Georgetown seawalls next to Ivleary on July 24. Now, with 105 reported cases of noise nuisances for the first half of this year, the Public Security Minister, Hemrat Ramjitan, says that strict action needs to be taken to address this issue. The minister was at the time addressing police officers at the opening of a noise management training program undertaken by the Environmental Protection Agency.
One such method is like to take the profit out of this illegality. What is that? That means if we have to deregister them, we have to do that. Take away their licenses, the GRA grants. Make it a condition that before you continue to do your bar services or whatever it is, selling liquor there, that we are going to make a condition that you must adhere to certain noise levels.
The Guyana Police Force has also launched its Police Records Management Information System, PRMIS. The new program will ensure efficient record keeping, thereby guaranteeing much needed information is really and readily available to officers as they carry out their daily duties. Minister Hemrat Ramjitan.
It is an evidence-based approach that will vastly help regional and national institutions in that regard. So literally, in every regard, this, what we are talking about here today, is vital in the fight against violence and crime, effectively violent crime.
PRIMS is being made possible under the Carry Secure project, which is a regional initiative of CARICOM. The main goal is to decrease incidents of youth crime and violence through effective data-driven policy making and programming in the Eastern and Southern Caribbean. Now for some highlights from the Guyana Defence Force. Major Christine Bradford Porter formally declared open the Grade 3 Agricultural Assistant Course 2019, the first course of this year, at Headquarters Agri Corps on Wednesday, July 17 last. The Major reminded the ranks that this was the beginning of what could be a very lucrative career. The 8-week course aims to educate participants on the basic principles of rearing crops, livestock, and the rudiments of farm management. The Guyana Defence Force on July 22 concluded its first phase of work-study attachment for 113 youths drawn from several city schools and the Government Technical Institute, GTI. A simple yet significant closing ceremony was held for students who concluded 5 weeks of work attachments. Commanding Officer for 6th Infantry Battalion, Lieutenant Colonel Lloyd Souvenir, charged the students of the Grade 2 Medical Assistant course, number 1 for this year, to place a premium value on their participation. The course formally opened at the headquarters for Medical Corps at Base Camp Guyana on July 23. Medical assistants support the work of doctors and other professional medical personnel at the GDF's Medical Corps. Private Odwin Tudor of the GDF's Athletics Club etched his name in local track and field history when he effectively erased the decades-old men's 3,000 meters steeplechase record at a time of 9 minutes 54.91 seconds. The old record, reportedly set sometime in the 1950s, stood at 10 minutes and 2 seconds. Tudor set the new record on May 19 last at the Independence Classic Track and Field Meet, a collaborative effort of the Athletics Association of Guyana, the AAG, and the Guyana Overseas Based Sports Association, the GOBSA. Now for the Guyana Police Force's wanted list. The force has issued a wanted bulletin for 38-year-old Kanand Uja in connection with the murder of male sex worker Noel Luther. Luther was shot and killed on July 22, 2015 at Carmichael and Kwamla Streets. Anyone with information that may lead to the arrest of Kanand is asked to contact the police on numbers 226-6978, 225-8196, 226-2870, 226-7065, 227-1149, 911 or their nearest police station. Alvin Satan Reed is also wanted by the police for the murder of Malika Hamilton in August of 2015 at Hope Canal on the east coast of Demerara. Anyone with information that may lead to the arrest of Alvin Satan Reed is asked to contact the police on telephone numbers 229-2289, 229-3564, 229-2557, 221-1281, 274-0409, 226-1928, 911 or the nearest police station. Remember, all information will be treated with the strictest confidence. That's it for this week's Security Report. Goodbye.